Hello everyone, welcome to my demonstration of my yoga app for the mobile application development coursework. First thing I want to show is the add button for the to add the yoga courses for the app. When you click it, it will run the on create yoga course activity. In this activity, there's a validation for user to if the user forgot to input something, it will have a message for the user to fill all the required field, and if user input all the thing and click save, the data will be saved in the local database, and user can click the edit button right here to launch the edit intent for the in the create yoga coursework activity. In this, user can also change manipulate the information of the course, and when user click save, and the course will be saved in the database also. Will be adjusted in the database also. Next thing is for the schedule button. When user click schedule button, it will launch the class instant activity for the user to input the instant of each course. In this layout, I have a day picker which I create in the day check. The day picker will be shown, and it will validate the day of the course with the day of the date of the schedule. Like this course is on Tuesday, so I have to choose a date on Tuesday. If I choose a day not appropriate, it will have a message to tell right here. Now I will choose a date on Tuesday, and one thing more is if the user forget to input the date or the teacher component, it will have a message to remind the user to input. Let me input something, and I click add. It will run both of the course management and the schedule management will run the function from the database header, like add class instance or the add courses. It will run here and save on the local database, and when I click edit button, it will run the edit instant activity and have a layout for the user to edit the instant of the class right here, and with click save, it will also save the instant in the local database. Let me add something one more courses into this, and this, and I add an instant right here too. An instant right here. Let me introduce you to the search function. It will be on the main menu when I set an listener adapter to change the list view. This listener will run the search class in the database.header, which will search for the teacher name of the instance. Like this instance is in here, so it will show this course, and this course have a Tom teacher, so it will show the course this course, and I also have a day filter for the search function, which will validate with the day of which search right here to sync with the to filter for the course, like this course on Monday and this course on Tuesday, and there's nothing on Wednesday, and this is on course. For the sync button, when user click the sync button, it will run the function seen on data in the file-based sync helper, and it will have message for user to know that their item have been synced on the real-time database all of true. If the user choose to edit any instance, edit any cost, like right here, and edit the instance, and yeah, and click sync. It's also change the data in the local database and on the file base. And if the user click delete, and if user click deletes the cost, and it will remove both of the cost and the instance. If the user just only click to edit the instance, it's just only edit the instance, and user click sync, all the adjust data will be adjust on the real-time database right here. Another function for my app is the GPS function. When user click on it, it will show the user to ask the user for permission to the location service. If user allow, it will show the user the latitude and longitude location of the user. Let me that's all for my yoga admin app. Now is let me add another course to test the customer app, and I click sync. Okay, for the customer app right here, I build it with React Native and Nest.js. It will have a file-based config file to connect the project, the app, with the file-based database, and for the function, it will reference the database from the real-time database and create them into object, like this yoga course and set filter course. And for the day filter and time filter, they will always update when there's any change to this component, like right here. I will search for the 5 AM. User can look can search can filter by the depth width or anything else, or they can search for the time, because they are both on 5 AM, so they will show both of them. And for the yoga customer app, I didn't do the real-time sync, so every time there's change, I have to refresh the button. Like in here, I will edit this course into trail and click save and sync, and when it's synced, I have to refresh again, and it will show right here 5 AM and 12 AM, and I click search on here, it will show the 12 AM course. 5 AM is right here. I didn't do the real-time sync, and I didn't do the booking function for the user to book any course on this customer app. Thank you for watching my demonstration.